QSI Stock Analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. I'm looking and observing Quantum SI stock and I'm just like, right, 4% up is fine, but I need far more volume in order for me to begin taking things up. This is overly optimistic, and I'm not saying I'm buying tomorrow, no. Higher time frame chart, you know, for mine it's quite bullish, but that's a whole different story. I'm currently focusing on this 2-hour chart, and I'm going to explain what this means. I have delivered thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, documented all of it, spent thousands on courses and mentors. Again, all of that has been documented. With QSI coming back, so I saw the first breaks, which is cool. The pullback rule must be met in order for me to keep taking things up, and I can say that it was not in my eyes, like not really. I still want to see that pullback and then take things up as long as the rules are met. And if they're not met, what I'm not going to do is randomly buy. So sticking to my edge. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.